Okay, here are the patch notes. We're going to read these. Gameplay and balance. Here are the Omen changes particularly, right? Omen now immediately becomes vulnerable and no longer appears dark after he leaves his alternate shadow form. If you were to find Omen teleporting in, it was often confusing when you would just shoot him to get the kill versus sending him back. This changes to both account for the invulnerability bug and score some extra points of clarity. They said the invulnerability bug, but I'm pretty sure when he was revealed, it said that the invulnerability was intended after his ultimate. Maybe I'm wrong, but that's what I thought. But I think that this is a nerf, honestly. This is the only change that really happened. But they also changed the noise. They reduced it to 2250 from like 2500. I'm assuming meters. I don't really know exactly, but maybe feet. I don't know. That's like your sound radius, basically. When you could hear Omen. So if you look at the map with his ulti, I'm not sure if this got smaller. It looks smaller. The sound radius is supposed to get smaller, right? So if I ult like back here, apparently they can't hear me in heaven or whatever. I don't know if I love this change. Just the fact that the invulnerability thing was removed. I think though what it should be like is that when Omen ulti if you catch him, that should be the benefit. Is that his ultimate is now like void, right? It sends him back. I don't like the idea that if I ulti as Omen, I could just straight up die. Like just like they wait for you. Jordan, load into a game with me. We're gonna test this, okay? When he looks like a shadow thing, don't. It wasn't as straightforward as that. There's like a brief period where he goes from like a shadow to like a human shadow. And then like if you shoot him during that time period, then it like still sends him back. So we're gonna test this. We're gonna load in. Okay, so what I was saying is, so what it used to be basically is like, yeah, he would use this thing and then it would be like, it would go from like a shadow to like a shadow with eyes. And then like, if you shot him during that phase, it just would like send him back. So what it should look like. I have invulnerability on. Hold on. Kill me. Okay. Wait, we're gonna try that again.
So when am I shooting?
So just shoot whenever you feel like you should be able to kill me. Make sure your invulnerability is off too.
Yeah, it's off.
Yeah, see? Yeah. I can't challenge you anymore. Like, there's no way. Because you killed me like a full second before I actually got my gun back.
Let me see what I see first. I see your head first before your gun now.
Yeah.
Remember, because last time we did that, I could see your gun first.
So this basically just results in me getting killed if you find me. Which is like... Yeah. I don't know if I love that, right? Because like before, what it was is it feels like the rewarding part was you found Omen trying to ult behind you and it sent him back and it completely voided his ultimate. Now what it is like you found Omen trying to ult behind you, he's dead. I can't do it. Like his ultimate was already weak compared to other people's abilities. Like can I compare Omen's ultimate to like a Brimstone ulti, right? I guess like the potential is there for me to like be behind the target, but I don't know. This just feels like never use your ultimate aggressively. Like before you could kind of cheese with it, now it's just like don't even bother, dude. It's gonna get you killed. Like yeah, because it's still loud, right? Like tell me if you can hear this. Stand where you are. You can hear this, right?
Yeah, I hear you. Is that heaven? Yep. Sounds like heaven.
It's just like I don't know. It feels the trade-off just wasn't enough. They reduced the range by like very slight. Let's see if it's like the same sound radius. It's a little smaller than your walk radius. But like the fact that I die if you find me, I'm literally just dead. I don't know. Like it should literally just be sending you back. That's my opinion, but I don't know.
Yeah, and it's just a tap. Like I know where your head's gonna be too.
Let's see if I can strafe out of it. Maybe. Okay, that's not terrible.
Kind of hard.
Yeah. Okay, so I guess that's what you got to do after you land. You got to strafe because if you stand still, you're just dead now.
Yeah, I can't shoot you fast enough. Okay. Like my reaction isn't that fast.
Only uses
maybe like once I figure out the timing, like a GA type of thing.
Yeah. We'll go one more time.
I'm gonna try pre-firing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can pre-fire it.
I don't love that.
Yeah, if I can visualize the sound in my head to a timer like I do on GA, I can one tap you every time.
Well, and it's like they said that they're gonna try to fix Omen because they feel like his sounds are like off, right? And this is what a lot of people complain about. They're like, oh, he's too like crappy just because like you can't trick people because you can hear it. I don't have a problem necessarily with people being able to like hear his teleport, but just the fact that I don't get any chance to react to it now if somebody finds me, I'm never gonna use that aggressively anymore. There's just no reason to. It's gonna get you killed more than times than not. Like,
It seems more strategic. Like you gotta use it in a really good spot in situation now.
yeah, you need to be positive wherever you're using it, nobody is there. Like, or that you are protected by your teammates. Either you can only use this rotating now. There's no reason to use it any other way. It's just gonna get you killed. And like think of all the freaking ciphers who just sit in like the weirdest spots, dude. Like you're like ulting like over here and there's just a cipher chilling on top of you. Like I don't even get it. Oh my god.
So like right now I can't hear you. I don't know where you went.
Yeah, I went to T spawn over here. Or CT.
Yeah,
sorry.
if I'm standing up here in heaven, I can't hear that.
Yeah, it shows you the range when you ulti. They did reduce it like a little bit. Like it's not the same as your walking distance, but it's still fairly large. Like if I ult right here, I'm gonna ult tunnels. You'll hear this.
My ultimate is ready.
Or you should anyway.
Yeah, I can hear it.
Yeah.
It's very quiet though. It's a little faint.
It does get more faint, and maybe if they increase the speed on it, I would be a little bit more okay with it. So like the fact that I can land a little bit faster, but like that's still like a solid 2 seconds or whatever. Like it gives people time to react to that like pretty easily.
Ooh, they also covered that up.
This was a cool combo that I saw. Where are you at? You're right here?
Yeah, they covered up the hole up here on the green building.
Turn off your invulnerability and go like play over there ish. Like against the wall there. Check out this combo that I heard of. Did that hit you?
Yeah. Can you reach me from there?
Did that blind hit you or?
Yeah, it hit me.
Yeah. Yeah, well that's not what I was talking about. Hold on. Stand in the same spot. If you hit somebody with that, you can actually teleport and they won't be able to hear you. Like, because it masks your hearing. So like you might hear it after you get out, but like...
Yeah, I can hear it after I get out. But I can't hear you teleporting.
Isn't that kind of interesting though? Like you can just land the teleport. Like, I like the combo. I heard that from Mopork. He makes Omen videos too. He's pretty cool.
I don't think a lot of people use combos that well in this yet.
Not yet. It's gonna definitely take some time for you to like grasp onto it, right? But that's why I think it's best to like one trick a character though. Like if you're gonna get good at the game, it feels like you want to play one because each character individually feels like it would take like maybe like 1,000 hours to master. Honestly, like maybe that's high, but like it feels like it would take a lot of time for me to master one character. I'm still learning new things to do with Omen every single time I play him, right? Did you see those one-way smokes I did in middle on my in my commentary there? That was it.
Yeah, where you can see their feet.
Yeah, you can see their feet, but they can't see anything from you. Those are like dope, honestly. Like just being able to land a smoke right there, and like yeah, good luck peeking that, buddy. They lose that like every time. That's awesome. Or,
so that's about where? Right there? Let me try something. Waiting for your smoke to go. So I need to go higher.
Oh, you're trying to do it yourself? Okay.
That's pretty good. I can peek that.
I bet with Jet, it's a lot easier to do one ways because hers like when it hits something, it just explodes. Like it doesn't like fall or anything. Since Omens fall, but here's something really cool that you can do, right? Because it's Dew's fall. Like go to tunnels. And just like peek this angle.
Yeah. I'm peeking.
Oh shit, I did it poorly. But like you can do like the falling smokes. So like you can kind of count. I don't actually know if this works in this position, but we're gonna give it another go, right?
What if you lower the smoke
like
a bit?
Unfortunately, it doesn't go any lower, right? Yeah, I could do that one.
Oh, that works. Yeah.
Yeah. So like I put it closer this time just because if I put it more towards the doorway, it like blocked me off. But like yeah, when you can like land those falling smokes and then they can't see your teleport, this works really well on a retake on C for Haven because you can like make your entrance doing this. I think those are really
cool. What if you crouch there?
You need so much practice to control. For real though. What if I crouch?
Yeah. Yeah, if you crouch when you first teleport, I can't see your head right away.
Oh wait, I have the wrong ability out. Fuck. I don't. You mean like crouch while I'm teleporting? I don't know if that's a thing.
Yeah, because if you came out of it like crouch, I wouldn't see you at all up there. Like I would have no clue you're up there. Yeah, I can't see you until the last.
I feel like I want to hold the angle though, because that way when like the smoke falls, you're not expecting me to be up here, right? You're just kind of, it's to you that's just kind of like a smoke, right?
Well, all I can see is your head when you're standing up.
Yeah, but like I need to see you, right? So that's why I need to stand, right? Because I don't see you when I'm crouching generally. No, but you can do like really cool things with like just Omen smokes in general. Something else that somebody pointed out is that the further away you are, like the wider his blind is. I don't know if you've seen that, but like if I use this like right here, that shouldn't blind you. But if I use it like back here and you're standing in the same spot, that'll blind you.
Oh, I did not notice that.
Yeah, it's like pretty cool.
I knew it was like a circle rather than just in the orb.
So I think this is the reason that it's so unclear, like the radius on it, because
actually the radius is clean. Like the visual update, I can notice that a lot better. Where I
well, that's the thing. This isn't a visual update yet. This hasn't been updated. This is the same thing. It's just the reason that it looks so unclear is because I think that the longer the distance it goes, the wider it is, right? So like when I'm close up, it's not as wide, right? When I use it like up here, that didn't even hit you. I was like right in front of you. But if I use it like right there, it's like wider.
That's so weird because that looks completely different than the other, like that animation.
Oh, this is another thing. When you use it, it like makes you float in the air. So I can actually get up here, I think. Or maybe they patched that actually. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
That looks a little hard to do. Yeah.
Oh, maybe I'm just not hitting crouch when I do it. Hold on. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, there you go. It's like a crouch jump. Extended crouch jump.
No. I haven't found a lot of uses for this, but I did do it the other day when a sage like walled me off. She like walled off like again Sea Haven, and it was on the lower end, so like normal players couldn't jump on top of it. But I was like, I wonder. I did it, and I was able to get up. So that was pretty cool. But, were you practicing Sova darts? Was that you, or was that Dom?
I wasn't practicing Sova darts. I know this one right here is a good one though.
Oh, the dart up. Yeah, I've done that one a couple times.
Yeah, on the sign up there.
Did you know? I think you can hover over to that.
From here?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's hard.
Oh, you're so close though. I think I saw a jet do it to me the other day.
Wonder if I like try to be up.
Did you do it from this ledge right here?
No, I haven't. Let's...
Ah, damn.
Nah.
It's almost worse. I thought you could. I think I saw her do it, but I might be wrong.
God, that's so close. Though.
Wondering any other places I can do this.
They've updated all the maps
so
visually.
No, it looks cool. I like the colors, honestly. That's all I had to say, I think.
Yeah. I'm just kind of walking around looking at the map.
Dude, loading into custom games is honestly so fun on it, though. Like, just being able to, like, load in and just try things, especially with the ghost mode now. It's gonna make it so nice to throw smokes and stuff. Like for practicing Sova darts and everything, too. That's such a needed addition. I bet I could do, like, cool little, like, fly around. No, it's a little buggy, actually, so it's kind of hard to... Like, there's, like, clipping and stuff. Are you getting that, too, or is it just me?
When you're flying around.
Yeah, it just, like, bugs out.
So that happens, I think, when you're going through the map. Like, areas that you can't walk through anyway.
I do like the flying around, dude.
God, this map is, interesting when you fly really high up.
Are you, like, super high? How high can you go?
I'm all the way at the top of this, glowing tower thing.
Oh, wait. Can we fight up here? Have you seen the bug where omens get outside of the map? Over here?
Where?
Right over here, they can get outside of A and like chill.
Oh, just figured out my ping button.
I don't know how they do it though. I haven't figured out like the bug. I wouldn't do it in a game, but I'm like curious how they do it, right?
Yeah, there's really nothing over here to get out.
Literally stuff like this though is why they haven't released ranked yet. They said that they want to make sure that they've fixed all these things before rank gets released. Let's see. I wonder if they fixed the Omen teleport that I've done. I don't
on the vending machine,
but like if you go to the vending machine, yeah, I can test it right now. I don't even know if it lets me teleport on top of it in general now. I don't like that. Yeah, you can't even teleport on top of it in general.
I wonder if I can jump up.
I'm sure you can teleport on top of it, but wait, I can't.
Yeah.
I can't even teleport on top of it. I don't like that.
Yeah, I can play this angle.
I wonder if they re-add that later. They literally just don't let you do it. I wonder if that's like a quick fix.
But if you try like a normal teleport,
that's so bad
will
for
let you up there or not?
Yeah, that's so bad for a fix to the problem. Yeah, it doesn't really fix anything, right? It just kind of removes it, and it's like I can't even do a normal teleport on top of it, like
because that's pretty high. I think only Jet can get up here.
Well, Raze probably could too. That's just what.
But it's gonna take 2 of her grenades for that.
I don't think so. You can get
because that's just
Raze. No, I think Raze could get up there with one. It's just like it bothers me that Jet and Raze can do it now, but Omen just can't. Like, it's literally a teleport. Like, this is what the ability is like designed for. But like, I don't know. I guess because it was an exploit earlier, that's just how they fix it. The thing that gets me too is like, why haven't they had this problem on any other maps, right?
Have they opened that angle up more?
Since you put out so much great content, I appreciate it, man. No, like
this angle feels wider.
We're a small stream right now. We're growing pretty fast right now, but like no, we're not massive by enemies. We just hang out. We talk about cool things. I appreciate you stopping by though, and especially watching the videos, dude. That means a lot to me. Like the channel's been growing so much lately. It's actually super dope. Are you trying to get on top of Scuttle?
Yeah, I've been trying it.
Okay. What's the move? Do we play a game?
Yeah, I'm down for a game.